Hello friend, welcome to Hashtag channel. Today we are discuss how to start Django project. First of all, thank you watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Today we are discuss how to install Django in Python virtual environment, how to create Django project, and how to create app and how to run Django project. First of all, open the CMD command. Okay, this setup in Windows machine. You can also set up in Linux, Mac OS. Commands are same. First of all, create a virtual environment. It is a good habit to create virtual environment because whenever any framework you use, that framework not affected in another existing project. That's why this you create virtual environment. Python minus m v and virtual environment name. The name is demo. Okay, the environment is created. cd demo dir. In that there are various files include and script. First of all, activate the virtual environment. Script slash activated dot bat. Okay, the virtual environment is activated. Now back to F drive. Now install install the Django. First of all, pip install Django. Suppose if you not mention anything in version, then you can latest version can download it. The latest version currently is 3.0.3. Okay, if you have installed 2.7, then you can mention 2.7. Okay, now we have latest version installed. Okay, then finally Django is installed. You can check pip space list. Then you can show the Django which version he installed, Django 3.0.5, and related the package also install. Okay, now I create a Django project. Okay, Django clear. Okay, now I create Django project. Django -admin start project. Project name is e-commerce. Okay, enter. First of all, I create an e-commerce project. In that you can create a multiple apps is there. Okay, first of all I run the project. You can go to the cd e-commerce, enter, and you can check the file. In that e-commerce folder is there, in that setting.py file is there, and the main file is manage.py. You can run it python manage.py run server. Okay, now you can check, go to the Google Drive 37.0.1. enter. Okay, yeah, finally is installed. The Django app is installed. The install working successfully. Okay, now we are connected to the app. Back to the terminal. Control C, clear. Okay, now the Django project is created. Okay, now we are create the Django app. Python manage.py tab start app name is sale, enter. You can mention anything, sale, invoice, employee, any app you can mention. Okay, now you can check it dir. In that you can mention the db.sqlite is a default database, e-commerce and manage.py and sales app is there. Okay, now we can first of all we change in setting.py file e-commerce In that notepad, the various editor is there, Sublime, PyCharm, you can anything open. Okay, now initially we are opening notepad, setting.py file. Okay, here the setting.py, you add the install app. Those are we have created. The app name is save. Okay, and save it. Okay, close it. Now another changes is url.py, notepad url.py, add the sales url file for path, bracket, here the URL is blank, comma, include, bracket, single quote, sales dot url, single quote, bracket close, and comma, include, save it. Okay, now we are main project in that setting.py file, and URL file wherever is changes is done. Now go to the cell file, cd cell, back first of all, back, cd cell. Okay, notepad URL, first you create in that the url.py file is not there. Now you can create touch. First you create a touch file, touch url.py file. Okay, now notepad url.py, in that you can paste the from Django url.import path you can mention, and view dot that, and in that you can mention the view dot index. Index is a method. Okay, save it and close. Now open view.py file. Okay, enter. Here we add from Django dot http import http response. Here we create one index method, request and 1 2 3 4 return http response, bracket, show the any response message, successfully created cell app, close and save it. Now close, back to the main directory and run it. App python manage server. Yeah, finally it's done. Okay, back to the Google and refresh the page. Yeah, finally it's done. The successfully created seller. Yeah, thank you. Please like your video. Any related doubts regarding the video, please comment it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.